Abdul Shakoor Sahib,
Yes.
bookkeeper from Pakistan. He had just recently met President Donald Trump, and in some of our chat groups, some people were upset regarding this. So I was just asking, what is Huzoor's guidance to someone who disagrees with Abdul Shakoor Sahib meeting the President of the United States?
You see, there was a conference, or the meeting arranged by the government of the United States for the persecuted people, right? And they invited the individuals who were persecuted from different ethnic groups or religious groups or any minority, right? And invitation was extended to Abdul Shakoor Sahib as well. So, with my permission, I say, okay, go. But he did not say any. He went there, he attended the conference, but he never behaved in a way as a beggar. He did not beg to the Prime Minister, to the President Trump, that please help me and give me something. Did he? No.
No, he did not.
So he did not. So, in this way, there is no harm in behaving like this, because when the Meccan Muslims were persecuted and the Holy Prophet ﷺ asked them to go to the Habsha, and they went there and they presented their case before the king, and Abu Sufyan was also there, and he said that they are against you and they are doing this thing and that thing. But the Muslim spokesperson said that we are being persecuted there, and Holy Prophet ﷺ has asked us to come to your country because you do justice, you can help persecuted people, we can stay in your country peacefully. So, is there any harm in doing it? So, we have an example during the time of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. So, see, if he has gone there to attend the conference and he has expressed his views, his sentiments,